Hi friends, welcome back. And today again composting part. You can see this is the blue drum. So recently 1 week 10 days back I had emptied the contents from this kamba to this. So now after 10-15 days back you can see this has become pure gold. So this is almost 90% of the compost. You can see it has just broken into small organic matters. No smell, nothing, and not even maggots. So what I'll be doing is I'll be emptying this container's compost to the spread out sheet over there. So I'll be emptying the container compost to this sheet. Then I'll be transferring the contents to the blue drum so that I can again start filling wet waste along with the dry leaves to the kamba. So let's start. So now you can see I've emptied the entire compost, that is almost 90% done compost over there. So this is my blue drum which I've emptied. Now to the base what I'll be adding is some dry leaves, so that if I transfer all these waste which is there in the kamba, they might contain excess moisture. So in order to balance the composting process, I'll be adding extra dry leaves at the bottom so that it will absorb the excess moisture and the composting process will be hassle free. So this is the dry leaves. What we'll do is we add at the bottom. See, it's up to you how much you want, you can add. Now after this what I'll be doing is I will add this one, because these are fresh waste. So it will be like this, whatever fresh waste, it will be going first into the blue bin. So the last final kamba section is there, right? This is I've got 4 sections, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Fourth section will come in the first top layer, so that if you want to harvest the compost, you can directly harvest like that, because the first part, as it would have gone down, it will take some time to become compost. So now I've added, we will give a mix, proper mix, such that air circulation is happening, because the compost which we are doing is aerobic composting, that is in the presence of oxygen. Composting process takes place because the heat whatever it produces during this process, it tends to escape through this holes which you can see outside part. I made holes, it just escapes. So give a proper mix, because once the bin is filled you cannot mix this much. So I'll be giving a proper mix now itself. Next we will add the other bin in the reverse manner, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, right, from top to bottom. So the first bin will enter, then second, then third, then fourth. We'll do that. So whenever you add each bin to this container, make sure that you give a thorough mix, and make sure that the compost, the pile is not too soggy. So balance according to that by adding enough number of dry leaves, so that proper carbon to nitrogen or nitrogen to carbon ratio should be there. So each and every drum, when you add, every bin we add, you have to mix dry leaves accordingly. So now you can see I've emptied this is the last container, and these are the remaining containers. So now my blue drum is almost full, and this also you can see from the last container. Wow, no smell, nothing, This is also almost half done compost. Not even heat also there. So I will allow this for another 15 to 30 days. So it will break down into furthermore small pieces, and this is how it looks. For another 30 days I will not touch this. In between, if I want, I will take. So this is how it looks. And so as I told you, I've kept a basin at the bottom of my kamba to collect all these maggots, crawly creepers, you can see. So they are part of the composting system. So nothing to feel bad. Without them, composting doesn't happen. So this is how you will control the maggots in crawling everywhere at your house. So once you collect this, what I'll be doing is I'll be dropping them in a nearby tree. So slowly they will escape and they will turn into soldier fly. So this is how our ecosystem happens, balance in ecosystem happens. And coming to this part, we can see almost 15 kgs, almost 15 to 20 kgs it might be there. I leave as it is in the storeroom for another 2 to 3 days. Later I will fill up them in a gunny bag and keep it beside or underneath my water tank, overhead water tank, and slowly I'll be adding them to my plants. Hope you like my video, friends. And if you have any doubts regarding composting, that is aerobic composting, please do raise questions in the comment section, and do share it with your friends so that we all together can make our environment a much better place for living for our next generations, right? So we don't need to pile up all our wet waste to the garbage, stinking, and release of all harmful gases of methane, carbon monoxide, etc. So what we will do is we'll start composting now itself. Please raise your hand or like the video if you are composting at your homes. Hope you like my video, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.